Good day, gentlemen. Happy Sunday Easter to all of you. Please do take care of yourself. Now, I'm way behind schedule. It's 3:25 outside. It's 3:25, 15:20 basically. This morning I was starting to do my project, and my good neighbor came to see me. He needed a backhoe job, so I put my backhoe, put it on the tractor, went to did that a trench for his SMAW. It was a very nice. It only took me less than 2 hours to do, and then put it back. Everything was good. So yeah. So now we're back into my P.O.L trailer. What I want to do for the rear tailgate is I want to have like a dropping platform, like a tailgate like this, like a pickup truck, which I can put my chainsaw and use the bar oil and the fuel to fill it up right there. So I managed to I had a few of these pieces of plywood in my wood shed, and left over I get many pieces, and so I'm going to use pieces of that. And also, where did I put them? It was, where did I put them? Ah, right here. And those hinges, I found them in the, that's a funny story. First year I arrive here, I start to do some cleanup, stuff like that, and I found barbed wire, like for the cows, in the middle of the wood. So so I remove as much, and as I was removing that, I find these, but they were not in that condition. They were all rust up, so I cleaned them and I used it for something else for many years. At least for 5 years they stay outside. So I'm recycling them, so they will be installed on here, and I have to figure a way. Probably I'm going to weld them into that, and that's going to be the holding part. So that's it. So that's it for now. So you're going to see me doing that, alright? Cheers. Alright, gentlemen, sometime, I never show you that. What I've done, I found that in one of the renovation book from Black & Decker. Like, they have many series of book on how to do ceramic, installing all renovation about houses. And one of the things they had is how to store your electrical extension. Yes, I've got one there and two there. I've got also one for the welder. But when I go on various places, I always bring these. So basically, and I was skeptical at first doing that, and I made two of them. I'm just looking at the other one is right there. So I'm just gonna get out of it. So this rectangular one, so you just put this one, you connect it to an outlet, and on the top with you can put a drill and stuff like that. And this is the connection part. Once you're done with the job, you just have to shovel it like this around, and you get really easy out of the box, really easy. So once you're done, you just put it back in there, and that's it. And this one has got two extensions. It was a broken extension. I put two together. I think it's 20 feet long, and it's a whole stucco, gyps. And the same thing too. You just put it in the outlet, and once you're done, it never get tangled. You don't have to square it around, put it around your arm. And same thing on the top. When you're done with it, you just put it back in there. And you always, the first time you put it, it's tough, but then after that, they always go round. So just a point of information for you folks. I was skeptical at the beginning when I'd done that about 6 years ago. But guess what? After 6 years, it does work. All right, so cheers. Hello there. This part and this part will be together to do the front part. So that's why I'm measuring it, but I have enough steel sheet to cover the front. Now the rear will be one piece of steel sheet, the one I just got. Alright, gentlemen, so my rear trailer tailgate is finished. So the purpose of it, like I was telling you, is to put my chainsaw. I will have all my bar oil, fuel will be there too, so I can service my chainsaw there. And so that was the goal for it. So to have a platform which it's good enough for the chainsaw. Let's say if I took my other chainsaw, which I have here somewhere. So I think I am in business. It's almost 6 o'clock. So that's it, folks. Thank you kindly for all the support. It's a short video, so like I told you this morning, I was busy helping my neighbor with my backhoe, which is already installed, reinstalled back in the garage. So take care of yourself. Happy Easter Sunday. Cheers. And coucou Mélanie.